feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To cook a turkey like Gordon Ramsay, start by preheating your oven to 220 degrees Celsius, 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the turkey inside and out with salt and pepper, and stuff the cavity with lemon, parsley, and garlic for extra flavor. Ramsay recommends rubbing the turkey with olive oil and butter, then generously seasoning it with salt before roasting. Place the turkey in the oven and reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, after 10 to 15 minutes. Cook for 13 minutes per pound, or per 500 grams, and let it rest for about half an hour before serving to keep it juicy.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.